Imagine a microscopic world filled with tiny, stealthy, and highly adaptable creatures. These aren't aliens from a sci-fi movie. They're spirochetes. These spiral-shaped bacteria are responsible for some of the most notorious diseases in history. Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of spirochetes. What they are, how they work, and how we diagnose and treat their infections. First, let's talk about where spirochetes fit in the tree of life. These bacteria belong to the domain Bacteria and the phylum Spirochetes. They are distinct due to their unique structure, thin, flexible, and helical. Famous members of this group include Treponema pallidum, the ones responsible for syphilis, Borrelia burgdorferi, the culprit behind Lyme disease, and lastly, Leptospira species, which cause our leptospirosis. So, what makes spirochetes so unique? It's their shape. They look like little corkscrews and move with a special type of motion thanks to their axial filaments, which function like internal flagella. Instead of whipping around like regular flagella, these filaments allow spirochetes to twist and drill through tissues, making them exceptionally good at invading the human body. Spirochetes may be small, but they pack a punch. Their stealthy nature allows them to invade the immune system. Treponema pallidum has very few surface proteins, making it invisible to immune defenses. Borrelia burgdorferi, on the other hand, can change its surface antigens to avoid detection. Lastly, Leptospira species has endotoxins that can cause severe inflammation. So how do we catch these sneaky pathogens? Well, they don't show up easily on a standard gram stain. Instead, we normally use dark field microscopy to visualize Treponema pallidum directly. Serologic tests such as the VDRL and RPR test for syphilis, ELISA and Western blot for Lyme disease detection, and lastly, PCR test for more precise detection of Leptospira. Alright. Let's now talk symptoms. Each spirochete-related disease has distinct clinical signs. Syphilis caused by Treponema pallidum begins with painless sores or chancre, then progresses to rashes and even severe neurological damage if left untreated. Lyme disease caused by Borrelia burgdorferi starts with a bullseye rash or erythema migrans, followed by fever, fatigue, and joint pain. If untreated, it can cause neurological and cardiac issues. And lastly, leptospirosis caused by Leptospira species range from mild flu-like illness to severe complications like liver or kidney damage. Good news! Spirochete infections are treatable if caught early. The frontline treatment is antibiotics, most commonly penicillin or doxycycline. Prevention is also key. Here are some ways to prevent clinical manifestations of spirochete infections. Safe sex practices help prevent syphilis. Wearing protective clothing in tick-infested areas reduces Lyme disease risk. And avoiding contaminated water can prevent leptospirosis. So, there you have it! Spirochetes may be small and sneaky, but with the right knowledge, we can detect, treat, and prevent their infections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more microbe deep dives. Until next time, Stay curious and stay healthy, everyone!